Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a shadow photo shoot जो कि हम विंडो के अगेंस्ट शूट करेंगे. You can shoot your photos against a window और something जिसके पीछे से लाइटिंग आ रही हो बट आगे डार्कनेस हो, ताकि आप जो हो मतलब जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो डार्क एंड जब बैकग्राउंड बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट नजर है. तो वीडियो के अंदर आपको पता चल जाएगा हाउ वी कैन शूट this kind of picture. Guys, if you like the ideas and the concept which I use in my pictures and my previous video also, so please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Without any delay, let's get in the video. So guys, this is our setup for today's video. This is a window and these are some curtains we are shooting here. I will attach a screen recording in the side of the video so that you can understand how I am just setting and just doing this. Just you need to download the open camera application. It's a totally free application. You just have to do some settings and just click some pictures. As a prop you can use anything. I'm just using this notebook and a cup. So ये props इसलिए important होते हैं, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा help करते हैं आपको pictures को enhance करने में. Guys, this is the screen recording of open camera application. We are doing some adjustment so that हम अपने आप को dark और पीछे थोड़ा सा ब्राइट कर सके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अपने रूम की लाइट्स ऑफ कर लेना. जस्ट 1 सेकेंड. लाइक दिस. जस्ट डू दी सेटिंग्स एज आई एम डूइंग.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That is the shoot. You don't need to edit these pictures because पहले से ही लाइटिंग इतनी ठीक है. हाँ, थोड़ा सा आप नॉइज़ करेक्शन और थोड़ी सी कलर करेक्शन कर सकते हो. You can. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you like the concept and the idea of clicking this picture, so please let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't leaving the video without subscribing. Also, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. We will see in the next one. Till then, bye bye.